Green tea is one of the most popular and widely consumed beverages in the world. Not only is it delicious, but it also has a wide range of health benefits that have been well documented by scientific research. In this video, we'll take a closer look at some of the benefits of green tea and why you should consider adding it to your daily routine. 1. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, specifically catechins, which help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. This can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. 2. Green tea has been shown to boost the metabolism and aid in weight loss. Studies have found that the catechins in green tea can help increase energy expenditure and fat burning, making it a great addition to any weight loss plan. 3. Green tea has been found to improve brain function and protect against cognitive decline. The caffeine and L-theanine present in green tea can help improve focus, concentration, and memory, making it a great choice for a midday pickup. 4. Green tea has been found to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases such as arthritis and Alzheimer's disease. 5. Green tea has also been found to improve heart health by reducing bad cholesterol, blood pressure, and inflammation. 6. Green tea has been found to have anti-aging properties, thanks to the antioxidants it contains. These antioxidants can help protect the skin from damage caused by UV rays and pollution, and can also help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 7. Green tea can also be beneficial for oral health, as it can help reduce plaque buildup and prevent cavities. Finally, green tea has been found to have antidepressant properties, which can help improve mood and reduce stress. It's important to note that while green tea does have many health benefits, it's also important to consume it in moderation. Green tea contains caffeine, and excessive consumption of caffeine can lead to negative side effects such as jitteriness, insomnia, and increased heart rate. So, it's recommended to limit green tea intake to 2 to 3 cups per day. Overall, green tea is a natural and healthy beverage that can provide a wide range of benefits for overall health and well-being. It's a great choice for anyone looking to improve their health in a natural way. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.